Y'all, what today is, Jazzy? It's moving days. Oh, I just hit myself in the leg. Really?
What you did?
Jazzy, why you keep moving here? You don't want to see something? All right, BG cakes. Barbara Jordan.
Call me if you need me. I'm pulling up.
I'm coming after I change my tires.
I'm coming too when y'all come.
Yeah, we could use Barbara
Oh my god.
And then she don't want to come home. When we don't want her to come home.
Yeah, right.
Look like girl.
Joyce will come back. She gonna be moved. She gonna get her apartment when she get back.
No, she not. She's still young. She can stay right there until she matures.
I don't know which one is does a good. That's two of them. I don't know which one fits a good.
What time are you coming back, babe? I gotta go somewhere.
I don't know what time I'm gonna be back.
You better be back at 6. I'm going to Burberry and I'm taking another go.
The law said the same. I'll be back. Better watch that phone.
Yeah.
Huh?
She'll have you in there.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
We made it. Your legs hurt?
Trying to tell you.
We made it. What you did? Now it's out. 217.
What is 217
Diamond. My friend.
Is she ready?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Drea texted me and told me that she was in this room. Honestly. Oh, that's the bathroom. Don't look at wait. No. Shopping. Nelly and Devin are finna go get them something to eat. Why you standing like that?
I wonder what you're doing.
Vlogging.
Oh.
Wait, video logging.
Do it again.
No. No. No preparedness. Everything is raw and uncut. Working out. I thought that said raw. It's Fashion Metro. That's a little super one. That's a little supermarket. Look at McDonald's. McDee's. So we have to get back to the dorm. Unload the groceries. Probably not gonna be able to unpack everything because we have freshman connection at 5:30. And then I need a good nap. A good nap. Hello? The other door.
Oh my god.
Wow. I caught that on camera. I'm recording now. I'm gonna walk away like. Can someone turn it off?
I really hope
Turn it, look at you, turn it. How else would we get outside? I wish they turned that off. Please. What else? I didn't go NSULA. Hold on. So we walking, backtracking to see if I lost my key. I pray to God that He show mercy on me because I'm being irresponsible today. I don't know where my key at, but I really hope I find it or somebody return it. Because Canada said it's like $50 if you lost that key. And I may got it, but I ain't trying to spend it. So I'll come back after I find my key. If I don't find my key, this video won't be uploaded because I'm going to be shamed. Amen. No $50 coming out of my account today. I'm happy. Because that was $50 I'm going to need.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
We can find the entrance to the dorms. Like, this is so... Babe, I'm gonna need a lot of practice walking back and forth to the dorm to have.
To reverse this because I don't got no more patience.
You know we gotta park. I'm about to run in.
Huh?
Don't even gotta park. I'm about to run in. And remember your way out. Stay right here. I'm running in. Got this. Got. Okay.
Do you have your keys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's all the key. You have your keys. Can't go through that door. This is gonna be the end of this video because too much going on. And oh Lord, I hope that milk ain't spoiled. Too much going on for me to be trying to vlog right now. Let me see. And look, I'm trying to prop it up. Okay. I came all the way over here trying to find Barnard at all to put the milk because I forgot I didn't save the groceries because we had to go straight. Is it on? Yes, it's on. We had to go straight to what's gonna call this? Straight to Freshman Connection because where's mom? Mom, what you call it? We had to go straight to Freshman Connection because of the thing. It started at 5:30 and we had just got back from the grocery store. So yeah, like this is also ghetto. We couldn't find our way. I lost, but hey, stuff happens. So this is the end of this video, y'all. Let me get my mask because I had to wear my friend's mask. I flipped the inside out so I'm not dirty. Joyce is signing out. Focus. Okay. Bye. Look at my room. Oh my God. We're gonna be back with a dorm room vlog. Y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, stay tuned.